how to log in Fiverr account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Fiverr application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. You have to go for Start Now, and here you need to enter your country code and phone number of the account in which you want to log in, and go for Continue. And you need to make sure that it's your phone number. If not, then you can go for Edit. It will take a few seconds to verify your phone number. After that, you need to enter your 6-digit code that you have received, your phone number. And after doing that, you can see I have been directly logged in into my account. So by following this simple step, you can log in TikTok account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.